dominance is an example for variation on mental roles involving single genes. To obtain F1 generation, a pure-breeding red-flowered snapdragon is crossed with a pure-breeding white-flowered snapdragon. A homozygous red-flowered snapdragon produces only one type of gamete, capital R. Similarly, a homozygous white-flowered snapdragon also produces only one type of gamete, small r. Let us see what happens in F1 generation. When capital R pairs with small r, instead of obtaining a red flower or a white flower, a pink flower is produced. This is because neither of two alleles is fully dominant over the other. So, all F1 hybrids are pink-flowered snapdragons. They are having a heterozygous genotype, capital R, small r. Now let us see what happens in F2 generation. To obtain F2 generation, F1 hybrids were self-crossed. That is, a heterozygous pink-flowered snapdragon is crossed with another heterozygous pink-flowered snapdragon. A heterozygous pink-flowered snapdragon can produce two types of gametes, capital R and small r. Here also it produces two types of gametes, capital R, small r. Now let us see what happens in F2 generation. When capital R pairs with another capital R, we are obtaining red-flowered snapdragon. But when capital R pairs with small r, a pink-flowered snapdragon is produced. Here also the same result is obtained when capital R pairs with small r. But here when small r pairs with small r, a white-flowered snapdragon is obtained. So what's the result found in F2 generation? One red, two pink and one white. That is, the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. And the genotypic ratio is 1 capital R, 2 capital R, small r and 1 small r. Here both phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same, 1:2:1. Thus in incomplete dominance, a third phenotype, which is pink color flower, which is a blend of two parental phenotypes, are produced. Codominance and multiple alleles also show a variation from Mendel's laws of inheritance. Both can easily be explained with ABO blood type system in humans. Three alleles circulate in human population, IA, IB and small I alleles. Here, IA and IB are codominant with each other and both are dominant over the recessive allele small I. Though three alleles are present in human population, each individual will get only two alleles from their parents. Let us see how ABO blood grouping is done in human population. Classification of human blood is determined by the presence or absence of antigens A and B, which are carried on the surface of RBC. It is an inherited property of RBC. Here, the red stone represents RBC and round and rhomboid shaped beads represent surface antigens A and B respectively. Now, if a person is having a homozygous genotype IA, or if he is having a heterozygous genotype IA and small I, surface antigen present on RBC is A, and he will be having A type blood or A blood group. Now if a person is having a homozygous genotype IB or a heterozygous one IB small I, he will be having a surface antigen B on RBC, that is, he will be having B blood group. Now, if a person is having a heterozygous genotype IA and IB, then both antigens A and B are present on RBC and he will be having AB blood group because both IA and IB alleles are codominant with each other. But if a person is having recessive homozygous genotype, that is small I, then he will be having no antigen on RBC, then he will be having O blood group. Thus, human blood grouping is an example for both codominance and multiple alleles. 3 alleles IA, IB and small I are present in human population. That is, multiple alleles are present in human population and alleles IA and IB are codominant, resulting in AB type of blood group in humans.